This is Joy, International Recruitment Manager of Alqonquin College from Ottawa, Canada. Ottawa and Alqonquin College, we are the only public English-speaking college in the capital of Canada. We are currently offering 200 programs, ranging from 4 years, 3 years, 2 years, and postgraduate program for international students. Our top programs are about IT, healthcare, and skilled trades and design. Actually, right now, I would say if you choose an affordable option for international education in Ottawa, we are the one provide with the high quality education and different program for your choice. Especially, we have a dedicated team to support international students studying with us. In Thailand, we have been working with Pacific Premier for a couple of years, and they are very trustworthy in supporting Thai students coming to Canada. We highly recommend you to connect with Pacific Premier when you have questions regarding studying in Canada and studying at Alqonquin College. Thank you and welcome you to Ottawa.